Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where that giant glowing rock came from? We see it almost every night. It pulls on our oceans, and it's been the subject of myths, legends, and love songs for thousands of years. But the story of how the moon was actually born is more violent and dramatic than any myth. It's a story of a cosmic collision that reshaped our entire world. Let's rewind the clock. Way back, about 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was just a baby, a molten hot mess of rock and metal, nothing like the blue and green marble we know today. Our solar system was a chaotic, dangerous place, like a cosmic demolition derby. Asteroids and young planets were flying everywhere, constantly crashing into each other. And in this chaos, a young Earth had a neighbor, a planet about the size of Mars, which scientists have nicknamed Theia. Imagine that, another planet, right here in our cosmic backyard. For a while, Earth and Theia shared a similar orbit around the Sun. They were like two race cars circling the same track, but their dance was destined for a catastrophic end. Eventually, their paths crossed. Theia, traveling at thousands of miles per hour, slammed into the young Earth. This wasn't just a bump, it was a planet-sized cataclysm. The impact was so immense it's almost impossible to comprehend. It was a collision of worlds that vaporized both Theia and a huge chunk of Earth's crust and mantle. For a moment, Earth might have even had a ring, like Saturn, but made of molten rock and super-hot gas. A massive cloud of debris, trillions of tons of vaporized rock, was blasted into orbit around our battered planet. This wasn't a slow process. It was an explosive, chaotic mess, but gravity is a powerful force. Over time, maybe just a few years, maybe a few thousand, a surprisingly short time in cosmic terms, gravity started pulling this cloud of debris together. The fragments began to clump. Small clumps attracted more fragments, growing larger and larger like a snowball rolling downhill. Eventually, all this material coalesced into a single, massive, molten hot sphere. And there it was. Our moon was born. When it first formed, the moon was incredibly close to Earth, maybe 10 to 20 times closer than it is today. It would have looked enormous in our sky, a giant glowing ball accessorios of red-hot magma. The gravitational pull would have been intense. Earth would have been spinning incredibly fast. A day might have been only 5 hours long. And the tides? They would have been colossal, 1,000-foot-high waves of molten rock washing across the planet's surface. It was a truly alien and violent world. Over billions of years, things have calmed down. The Earth's rotation has slowed, giving us our 24-hour day. And the moon has been slowly but surely drifting away